Come take a look at this 2009 Dodge Ram 1500. This Ram 1500 has just under 58,000 miles. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Ram 1500 boasts a 5.7-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, CD player, tow package, driver airbag and heated mirrors. Call 877-932-4724 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.